I'm ready, I'm on. We're rolling.
Oh,
and there she goes.
Horrible thing.
Oh, you should have got Dan's face. Oh, hi.
Eat the stalk, eat the stalk.
That's the only bit I don't eat.
She just put us eyelashes, didn't she?
Yeah, no, because I'm going to be single forever. I go right down to cook, but I don't eat it. Do you know what I mean? I go right down so you can see the tits and everything, but I don't eat it.
I nibble until the pits appear.
Get it. Zoom in.
I've got it.
Have you ever witnessed someone eat a whole apple before?
At the core of an apple.
Whole apple.
Keep eating.
It's quite nice taste an apple, that one, isn't it?
What? Oh, yeah.
You know what another like this?
Fuji's a nice apple.
Yeah, they're my second.
Yeah, no, they're my favourite. No, I used to love them, but now.
A granny. Are they
the sour ones?
Yeah, green.
Yeah,
no,
really
I don't like
sour.
granny.
Because you have Granny Smith, which are really sour. Then you have Golden Delicious, and then you have like Braven, and then you have like
Braven,
I love the red. They've got to be red.
Granny got
Ready Green.
like orchard.
Yeah.
No. And they've got to be crunchy, like.
Yes, they can't be much.
Yeah.
I want to do something, but I'm not doing it again.
Why do it?
It's like the worst thing, isn't it?
And I've got about 4 others come out.
Eat them.
I will.
Isn't mushy like the worst thing?
Yeah.
Oh, boy.
Mushy just like. Anyway, back to business.
You can't bite it off.
Stop videoing me.
Oh, ding dong.
Isn't it important? Isn't it?
Don't write anything on other people's pages or about people or whatever.
You're just provoking them now,
Eat it. Can you eat the stalk as well? Please.
Who wrote on Johnny's, by the way?
Johnny's what? Not me.
Where's Sophie?
Yes, you can eat it all. Eat it. I dare you. I dare you to just eat it all.
Come on, guys.
Eat it.
Oh, you spoiled.
There was.
Eat it, go on, I dare you.
Stop it off. The cherry on top of the ice cream.
It's on the cake.
Icing on the cake. I put the cherry on top of the icing.
Ice cream.
I don't want to eat that.
Go on.
Swallow it.
Jason.
You can't put it on now.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I'm going to be in the desert for the rest of my life.